Hello everyone, today we are learning the subject of circuit theory or a network analysis, and we are going to simplify the numerical on series resonance. So what is that numerical? Calculate the magnitude and phase angle of the impedance of a series resonance circuit at 10 kHz below the resonant frequency of 1.5 kHz. Full stop. The quality factor is 80 and capacitor is 300 picofarad. So whenever you are going to simplify any numerical, we always note down what is given and what you need to calculate. So this circuitry is resonance circuitry, that to series. So note down here at series resonance. At series resonance. What is given here? The parameters. One is given here. The two frequencies. One is nothing but at a resonance frequency, that is same, but two frequencies are there. One is nothing but 1.5 kilohertz, second is nothing but 10 kilohertz. Quality factor is given, that is 80, and capacitor value is nothing but the 300 picofarad. And what you need to calculate? You need to calculate the magnitude and the phase angle of the impedance. So that is nothing but the Z. You need to calculate the Z. Okay, how we can start? You can start here by looking this parameter which is given. So start with the quality factor, so that unknown parameter you can calculate like the R, L and XL, XC likewise. So what is the quality factor of a series resonance circuitry? There are various formula, but one of the which is suited here is nothing but Q is equals to omega L by R, or you can say 1 by omega CR. So what is that omega? Omega is nothing but angular frequency at a resonance frequency L by R. Similarly here also. Okay, so one by one you can calculate. So how you can calculate here? You can calculate, take this, that is nothing but either this formula or this. To Q is equals to 1 by omega 0. In many of the textbook they are referring as omega 0. Why? Just at a resonance. So here if you are taking, to definitely, therefore R is equals to 1 by omega 0 CQ. What is that omega? Omega is nothing but 2 pi F0 C Q. What is that? 2 pi. What is that F0? F0 is nothing but difference between the two frequencies. Which is that two frequency? F0 is a resonance frequency, that is nothing but the 1.5 is already given. Okay, so that you can take directly. That is nothing but 1.5 into 10 raised to the power kilo, that is nothing but 10 raised to power 3 into what is C? C is nothing but 300 pico, again into 10 raised to the power, what we can say, 10 raised to power minus 12. Pico is there na, and what is Q? Q is nothing but the 80. So if you do with the calci, that is 1 by 2 pi 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power here is the kilo. Kilo is mentioned here na, that is 1 point mega. Mega is mentioned here. So note on one correction, that is nothing but here 1.5 mega. 1.5 megahertz. Okay, so 1.5 megahertz means 10 raised to the power 6. Okay, into what is the value of capacitor? 300 to 10 raised to power minus 12, and what is the Q? That is nothing but 80. If you do with the calci, you will find 4.42 ohm is the resistor value. So in other way, how you can calculate the L? You can calculate the L with the help of this formula. So Q is equals to, I am going to write here, Q is equals to omega 0 L by R. So here just keep the L aside. So L will be equals to QR. You can say Q into R divided by omega 0. What is my Q? That is 80. What is my R? That is a 4.42 divided by 2 pi F. What is F? 1.5 10 raised to the power 6. So in this way you can calculate L is equals to 37.5 micro Henry. If you do with the calci, in this way we have calculated these two parameters. Okay, so now come towards the next, what is mentioned here in the numerical, that is nothing. Calculate the magnitude and the phase angle of the impedance of the series resonance circuitry at 10 kilohertz below the resonant frequency of 1.5 megahertz. So in short you can say the inductive reactance, just note down here the 1 point in inductive reactance at a frequency of what is that frequency? That is a 10 kilohertz. At a frequency of 10 kilohertz below the resonance. So what will happen means you need to take care about these two above frequency. Two frequencies are given. One is 1.5 megahertz, other is given 10 kilohertz. So omega L is equals to what you can say, omega is equals to XL, that is nothing but the inductive reactance is equals to omega L. So what is my omega? 2 pi FL. What is my 2 pi and what is the resonance frequency? Two frequencies are there. 1.5 10 raised to the power 6 minus of 10 into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, and what is my L? That you have calculated 37.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So in this way you can calculate the inductive reactance 351.07 ohm. Okay, now go for the what we can say the capacitive reactance. What will happen if the inductive reactance is written here? So you can write here the capacitive reactance at a frequency of 10 kilohertz. Okay, below the resonant frequency will be the same sentence here. Only the change in the instead of inductive here will be the capacitive reactance. So likewise Xc is equals to 1 by omega C. Here will be 1 by 2 pi. What is the F? 1.5 10 raised to the power 6 minus 10 raised to the power 3 bracket close into what is my C which I have calculated in above. That is nothing but what is my C? C is given, that is a 300 pico. So here into 300 10 raised to the power minus 12. So likewise you can get X is equals to 356.0 ohm. So XL X is over. Now come toward the next, that is nothing but the impedance. How we can calculate the impedance? So here you can say this is the B part, C part is nothing but the impedance, and impedance is equals to denoted as a Z, and that is AC. So R plus J of X. So here which is greater? You can say R plus J of XL minus XC. XL minus XC. What is the R? XL minus XC. What is the R? Yes, what is the R? That is nothing but the R is mentioned 4.42 plus J of what is the XL? XL is nothing but 351.0 minus of 356.0. So likewise the value of the Z you can get as the value of a Z you can get like so Z will be equals to, so you will find as Z will be equals to 4.42 in plus J of, because J is already there. So if you are going to convert that one, that is a rectangular to polar and polar to rectangular, so minus J of 4.978. So in this way this is in the what we can say real term and the imaginary term. If you want to convert this rectangular form into the polar form, so you will be able to find the answer will be 6.65 angle of minus 48.4 degree. Okay, and the unit is ohm. So this is nothing but Z. This Z is nothing but in the rectangular form, and this Z is nothing but into the polar form. So what is the magnitude? So in short, magnitude is magnitude of impedance. Magnitude of impedance, that is nothing but the Z, is nothing but 6.65 ohm. And what you can say, the phase of impedance is nothing but minus 48.4 degree. So in this way we have calculated number 1, that is nothing but the quality with the help of the quality factor, inductor with the help of the quality factor, the capacitor. Next is nothing but the R you have calculated in this way. Second is nothing but you can say the inductive reactance and the capacitive reactance, and the last is nothing but the impedance. Last is nothing but impedance. So in this way we have calculated all the parameters.